This is the complete chrome 5 3/4 headlight, DOT approved, with the hardware. If you want to take the headlight apart for cleaning, wiring, you need to get a small Allen key to take out the small Allen nuts. After we've taken off the nuts, you need to spin the outer ring counterclockwise to loosen it up. And you unscrew it all the way, you can take it out. Once you have taken off the ring, use the special tool that we've included in this kit and stick it in one of the 4 holes and turn so we could loosen this other ring out. We could take this ring that we just unscrewed off and take the seal beam out, and then you could put the wiring through the shell.